Go to Format Background. Change your background to black. Insert to rectangle shapes. Insert another rectangle shape and place it below. You can click the yellow point to adjust the shape's corner. Insert a small circle. Go to Format Shape. Change the first rectangle shape to green and no line. Change the second rectangle shape to dark gray and no line. Third rectangle shape same as the second one. Small circle change to green as the first shape. Then, insert your text to both rectangular shapes above. Change the first shape's text to white to make it clear. Duplicate the slide and go to Slide 2. The first shape change to dark gray and text to black. Change the second shape to red and text to white. Finally, select to Slides and apply Morph Transition.